Crochet 101. Today is Monday, so that means it's time for another crochet tutorial. And today we're going to be doing this granny square. I've got a lot of requests for this, so I thought I'd do that for you today. So you can get your yarn ready. This is a 4-ply medium weight yarn, and the hook that's suggested on the back of the yarn, you get that ready. I've got my, I use my trusty 5mm hook for my tutorials. Got a needle and my scissors, and we will be working on this today. I'm always groggy in the morning, but so let's get started. You're going to do your slip stitch, and if you don't remember any of these stitches, you can always go to my Crochet 101 playlist, and there are tutorials there for your slip stitch, your chain, your double crochet, and other stitches. So we're going to do that slip stitch. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to come back to that first chain and go in there and do a slip stitch. Pull through and pull through. Then we're going to have this little opening right here where we're going to put our first row. So we're going to chain 3, and that's going to be your first double crochet. You're going to do 2 more. 1, go through 2, go through 2, chain up, go through 2, go through 2. So that's 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2. That's 2 corners right there. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2. And we're going to do our last cluster of 3. 1. We're going into the same little opening from the beginning. 2. And 3. Chain 2. And this first chain right here we made, count up 1, 2, 3, and we're going to slip stitch into there. And then we can pull this string tight to close up that circle. And a lot of people don't do this, but I do what's comfortable for me. I chain 3, 2, 3, and I turn my work and go in that hole right there with 3 double crochet. Where the chain is a double crochet, do 2 more, chain 2, and put 3 more in that same chain 2 space. Then we're going to move over to the next chain 2 space right here and do another cluster of 3 double crochet. Chain 2, another 3 double crochet into that same space. Move to the next one this next space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 more double crochet into the same space. And as your square grows, you will have extra spaces to put 3 double crochets, like right here. You will have extra space there, so that is what helps your granny square to grow larger. And a lot of people like the granny square because you can do a lot of different things with the granny square. You can finish off and sew them together and make a blanket or hat or scarf, and just slip stitch to the top of your chain 3, and that's your granny square. And when you go around the next time, you're gonna put 3, you're gonna chain 3 and put 3 and put 2 in this right here. That's your extra spaces you have. Then your corners, you always put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into all the 4 corners. And then your side squares, you would put just 3 double crochet. Let me bring this one, it has more rounds on it. See that? You have 2 spaces extra right here to put your, that would help it grow. This is 3 rounds right here. This is 2 rounds. So it would help it grow. You put 3 double crochets on the sides, and then up for your corners, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And that's how your granny square grows. And like I said, go to my playlist and you will learn the slip stitch, the granny square, the chain, and the double crochets, half double crochets, whatever. And that's a tutorial for today. Have a great day.